Meron nga bang Reva position na non-voice? One thing you need to know about real estate virtual assistants is hindi lang siya puro phone calls. Like, I think pinakang common talaga na naha-hire ngayon, obviously, would be appointment setting, inside sales. However, remember sa isang buong process ng real estate transaction, meron dong administrative, meron dong part ng creative, and meron dong support. So, karamihan yan ng mga papasok sa virtual assistant. Especially if you're coming from the BPO, obviously, ang pinakang direct path na pwede mo kunin would be appointment setting dahil ngayon na yung ginagawa natin sa work natin. However, keep in mind that before you even transition to freelancing or kung gusto mo mag-aral talaga ng freelancing, working from home, virtual assistants, you have to figure out first ano yung service na i-offer mo. And if, for example, naisip mo na ayaw mo nang mag-calls, pagod ka na talaga, then make sure that you have to consider dun sa service na i-offer mo na kung maaari talaga is limited yung phone call. So that would be right around the area ng creative, kung creative ka. But if for real estate specifically yung gusto mong pasukin din, I would highly recommend na mag-aral ka kung paano maging social media manager for real estate. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow from our work from home chismis. Bye!